smokers and all the good people watching, I want to show you lot these lots mopeds. Hello my Frenchers, another day, another vlog. So, another bike meet. Well, this one's a new spot. First time going to it. We're just going to meet with another person, my other French. And from there, we're going to go to the bike meet. It's a new location, a new spot. We're just going to see what he's saying. If it's good, if it's bad, if it's very nice, if it's not. Oh, now-wise. Oh my god, brother. Where are you going? Very dangerous. Hello my Frenchies, so we're back on so we are back on the road. S1K's gone, bro's in his own little world. So yeah, we're just meant to meet a couple more people. Bro just decided to go like, yeah, you're very nice, very dangerous, I'll go that way. Bro, what are you doing? You meant to follow us. And yeah, that's the whole thing, not having these fucking flipping cordos. Like, I got one, but another helmet, very dangerous, so I do need to swap them over. What? Can't get my words out, man. Swap them over. Here we go. Well, like I said, I was going to go over there, meet a couple more people, and I was going to head straight over there. Oh my god. Yeah, I've got him. Very dangerous. We'll meet a few of the lads here, innit? What? We're meeting the lads here. I know, that's why I just left it over there, innit? These are gonna fuel it all up, and we're just gonna meet a couple of more people to turn up, and I want to continue with the journey ratio, my Frenchies. Hey my Frenchies, so basically we're not meeting them there, we're just filled up. Basically we're gonna meet them over that way. So yeah, well, I think we've got another S1K bus there. Oh, not the double R, just the normal, I don't know, the naked one, MT-07, and from there we're gonna go back that way, I think. Cheers my friend, you the best, bro. So the next location we're here with the other S1KR. Got an RR difference in that, you know how we do. We're just waiting for one more moped to turn up, and then from here we're going to be going that way, I believe, somewhere over there. Right, so the other moped French is right there. I don't know if you can see him or not, but it's literally just there. That's it now. Shoo! 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 Hey! Very nice, very nice. Very nice, very nice. Anyway, we are back on the road now. Going to that place now. So we'll just have to see what it's saying, my Frenchies. We're only about 2 hours late. Now, at least listen, it's not me this time. It's not me. Oh my god. We've got a full squad here now. I think we're about a couple of minutes away. I don't even know how long we're for. I can't get my words out. What is going on? Listen, I need to buy my update on here, because recently when I've been trying to talk or speak things, yeah, I say something in my head, right, and it comes out like bare gibberish. What is going on, boys? It's crazy. But anyway, we're not too far off. I don't know, maybe like 20 minutes, or maybe less, or maybe more. I have no idea. But we're full squad here. It's very nice. Very nice. I was saying, shall I switch his back off or what? Shall I do it? Shall I not? Shall I do it? Shall I not? Nah. I was gonna do it, but I'm not doing it. Ooh, very nice MT-10. No. But yeah, we've got a couple of mopeds down there. Very good, very nice. All our Frenchies are here. Haha. Very dangerous.
Very bad.
Very bad.
Very bad.
Limit, speed limit all the time. My neck, my crack, my pussy and my crack. Oh my god! It's getting changed. Hey, hello, that's it. Listen, you are enough baby cakes. Am I still recording, by the way?
I hope so.
Yeah. Am I still recording? Yeah. Yeah, you the best, bro. That's coming on. That's coming on, bro. These markers and all the good people watching. I want to show you lot these lots mopeds. So we've got an SP here.
That's asking for a leak, innit, that?
What? What's up?
On that radiator.
Yeah. That's crazy, man.
You should do on that.
Yeah. Hey, it happened to me. My whole thing split like that, mate.
that's
Fuck.
what you put there.
Done. Done.
But look at the carbon that we've got on the exhaust as well. I love that.
That's the forged one, isn't it? Very, very. See?
Mint as well, 'cause he's took the full decal off.
Yeah. Nasty, mate.
And evil, don't it?
That's what this. Hey, watch out for brother. My friend's saying. Anyway, long story short, boys, I'm gonna meet a couple of the boys, Auntie's Morgus here, chat to them, and then see what's what, boys. We're gonna go to the next location. We're gonna go, I think that way. I don't know which way we're going, but we're going that way. Don't. So yeah, we just big. Oh my God, touching. Oh, I missed it. Hey, watch that gravel on the floor. Watch the gravel on the floor. No, I'm gonna go down. Yeah, it's cool. Hello there. Oh, I'm trying to switch my traction off. God, I just switched it off on my moped. Anyway, we're back to chilling. Let's flick this back out. There we go. We're chilling, waiting for the boys. My stuff's just come and done. Beautiful trees, bushes, amazing view, a couple of road signs. My moped friend just coming behind me now. Am I still recording? I'm still recording for you lot. Hello there. Oh my God, very dangerous. Why are you going so fast? You are very the best. Quick shift, boys. Very dangerous, boys. Quick shifter, unneeded. Homemade quick shifter. Oh my God. Sketchy wheelies, boys. That was kind of dead leading, man. That smells disgusting. Hello, sheepies! God. Ah, that was low. Anyway, we'll just keep on going then, boys. We are here, no fear. Superman is here. Hello, froggies. Come on, my friend. Yes, we're finished. We had a couple of chippies, couple of burgers, couple of chickens. I can't lie, it is home time. It's like nearly 10 o'clock. Time to go home. Oh my God. My belly's going for the gearboxes, DSG-14. Hello, my friends, you like this moped? Let me just switch this. Gosh. Very good, very nice. Hello there, ferry boating. Very nice. I actually enjoyed that, it's not too bad. That was alright. First time, mate, I left my visor up here. I swallowed about a couple of Z flies. Yeah, night time all the flies just come out, get slapped in your eyeballs and your forehead. But that's why I've got the right shoe there. That's why I've got the right shoe there. I kind of enjoy them knee knockers. Oh my God, it's a very dangerous thing. Ah, there's too much flies, man. Let's shave my eyeball. Ah, I close the visor on. Oh my God, the bumps are very dangerous. So, boys, girls, aunties, and mugs, and all the good people watching my video, if you're not subscribed, you should subscribe right now. If not, I'm gonna scooby-doo-doo-doo off your back forehead. Huh? Do a backflip, never mind. Anyway, subscribe, you know what I'm trying to say anyway, boys. Well, yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. If you liked it, check out the other moped videos that I've got. Share it, to send it to Auntie, Margaret, Stephen, John, I don't even know, Barry, Ben, I don't even know, man, Callum, Stephen, George. Yeah, man, I'll see you guys on the next one.